my way to Geneva right now. Yeah, it's gonna be a quick one, an hour flight. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah. What we have to do as well is like a toilet check. I have to say the toilets in here are very small. Like it's tiny. Like look at this. Like I'm nearly taller than the toilet. Like you see? It's crazy. But yeah, it's a bit small. Yeah. Guys, can you see? Especially if you go to Geneva, you have to go through France. There's no different way. If it would be Zurich, you could have done the Belgium way. And then from Belgium you go to Germany. And then from Belgium, Germany obviously, and Zurich, Switzerland. But if you go to Geneva, because Geneva is quite close to France, like it only takes like 20 minutes from Geneva to get to France by train. You know, so yeah, we're right now in France. And for the people asking how much this flight was, I bought this flight in November, mid-November. This flight, 40 pounds. So 20 pounds going there, 20 pounds coming back. And that was in November, you know. Like one thing I do, I book things way ahead before. Like I don't like to do last minute things. Book things from 2-3 months before, and then have it just there. You know? Because I think it's just easier, safer, you know, than like last minute. I don't like rushing it, you know. So yeah, 40 pounds, easy journey. Yes guys, we just arrived at Geneva airport, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to get out of this airport. See, because I've got a German passport, it's easy for me to get out. See, Europe. British passport or something like that, you have to go through this. This is just wrong. Okay, enough. I got a German passport, so I'm just going through the European way. C'est très très bon. Bienvenue à Genève. Ouais, à Genève. So this is the French side of Switzerland. So today, j'ai parlé français. Aujourd'hui, ouais. Let's go. Vas-y, vas-y. Yeah. Sortir is exit. So exit here. And then it's exit here right now. Yeah. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the train to Geneva, or Geneva city center, yeah, sorry. Yeah, so from here gonna take the train, I think. I have to take the train from here to Genève, via Genève. I think I have to take the brick one. Brick, via Genève, Nyon, Lausanne, and Zion. Well, so from here, I'm going to take the train. It's a nice station already. I really like it, to be fair. And yeah. So we're taking this, the SBB CFF train, the Swiss train that ride from everywhere, not only from Geneva to Zurich and Garland, Zion, Lausanne, everywhere. You just seen what the yellow thing says. It says in French, it's reserved for people in German as well, Italian and English. So that means when someone reserves seats here in Switzerland, then they put like a yellow sign saying reserved, so no one can sit there, you know. It's very good to be fair. Just arrived at Genève train station from the airport. It's a very cool station, let me show you. It was a nice ride, 7 minutes, quick, fast, and enjoyable, you know? See, that's the SBB CF train. CFF train, yeah. Yeah. You get out from here, and then you come here, and I'm not sure if that is the Centreville, but yeah, right now in Genève. This is the gare. In French, obviously, you don't say train station, you say gare from outside. Gare de Genève. And yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Comment and subscribe. And yeah, now you know how to get from the airport to Genève, Centreville. What?